Today we are trying Shein Wigs. This one was $11 and this one was $10. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying those two Shein wigs. I have never tried putting on a wig before, so this is totally new territory for me. I'm starting with my hair in braids and I'm going to bring it over like that and bobby pin it in. That way we can put a wig cap on and try and get these suckers on. Alright, so I have my hair like all pinned up and we have the wig cap. This thing is like surprisingly really small, but okay, let's try it anyways. Holy macaroni. Holy, this thing is like small. I don't know what the hell this is. Okay, let's try and get some hair up in here. Holy. This is my first time ever using a wig cap. That's for sure. Okay. Alright. Let's try and get that like off my forehead a little bit. Oh. Well, she certainly is slick, that's for sure. Let's try and put on a wig. Alright. Let's go crazy and go with this pastel one first thing. So, I've never done this. I'm really nervous, but I'm like super excited, so. Alright. Okay. Alright. One second. Trying to figure this sucker out. Where's my bangs? Okay. Holy. That might not have been a good sound. But, okay. I think this is too far down. Okay. Alright. Alright. We're getting there. We are getting there. I might have to cut these bangs. Holy crap. I love it though. Let's get these bangs in my face, for one. Okay. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to cut these bangs. But it's a really cool wig. And that actually wasn't that hard to put on, considering like I've never put on a wig. And I got the wigs with bangs because like obviously I haven't used wigs ever. So this is really interesting. I don't know how I feel about it. I mean, I would never dye my hair this color because I feel like this completely washes out like my skin tone and just like it washes me right out. Because I just, oh my goodness, it's so cool though. This is so cool. I've never worn a wig. That was really intense getting that on. I didn't know if I was going to be able to do that. I have to cut these stupid bangs, but I'm really nervous. All right. Or what can I do? This is a heat resistant wig, so I wouldn't exactly put heat on this. I might put like some curlers in and see if I can get them more like tucked under. Let's see what we can do with these. So there it is with the bangs fixed up a little bit. I feel like I can finally see. I should kind of brush through this, even though I'm really reluctant to. It's such a nice wig. I really, really like it. They did an excellent job on it. Not too much fallout. Not too bad, but not too great either. So yeah, this is my first time really wearing a wig. I like it a lot. I think it's really cool. I don't think I've nailed the install yet, but it's definitely a good start. So yeah, this is the pastel wig. Now let's try the pink wig. Alright, so let's try and put on this pink one. All right. Holy macaroni. Are they ever like interesting to put on? This one, the bangs are overwhelming as well, but that's okay. I don't really feel like I have this one on correctly. So I cut the bangs. I'm trying to make it work for me, but I just feel like maybe I'm just not a wig person, or these wigs just like severely suck. I don't know. This is my first time ever buying wigs or ever trying anything like this, so I like it. I really love the pink color. Don't get me wrong. I think it's so sweet and so gorgeous. But jeez, is it ever hard to get the bangs right? I mean, I guess this is my first time doing wigs, so I think you probably all know that if you've been into wigs stuff. But yeah, I love it a lot. I think it's really sweet, but I feel like maybe I'm just not the best at installing it, or just I'm a newbie. That's what I feel like. And I'm not like madly in love, so I don't know. I'll definitely bring out these wigs like a few times for like videos and stuff like that, but I probably will not do this every day, that's for sure. So yeah, that is the Shein wigs. I definitely probably would only rate them a 5, but you also have to remember 5 out of 10. But you have to remember I have like no reference to this, so this, I wouldn't buy them again. I wouldn't do it, but that's just me. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you've gotten this far, thank you. It was fun to try wigs with you. So anyways, have a great day.